Well, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Isuzu D-Max, stock number 6056. This ran from the 10th 2008 to the 5th 2012. It has an RA 3 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a RA 3 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre, right rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre, right front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre, right front aftermarket front mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,